In the automatic straightening lessons of the movement section, you program the robot to self-correct its forward movements using the encoders. Each forward movement consisted of a while loop and 3 embedded if statements with motor commands. The improvement to the robot's performance in the labyrinth was substantial, but at the cost of a much longer and more complex program. Moving straight forward in the grand challenge is a must, but this complexity won't do. In this lesson, you will learn the power of functions. Functions allow you to reuse sections of code, making your program shorter and easier to read. If we compare this program versus the original, it's clear that this version will be much easier to work with. Functions allow you to write a segment of code once, give that piece of code, usually a single behavior, a name, and then reuse it. In effect, functions let you create your own commands in Robot C. Let's start with the basics. A function must be created or declared before it can be used. To declare a function, start with the word void. You must then specify a name. Function names are always followed by parentheses. In a basic function, there is no space between the parentheses, so they go right up against each other. Finally, add the curly braces, and write the code that the function executes when it is run. Void, name, parentheses, curly braces, body. Once it is declared, the function can be called anywhere in the program by simply using its name as a command. The result is the same as if the function's body were run at the calling point in task main. In this lesson, you learn that functions allow you to write a section of code once, then reuse it multiple times in task main, making your program shorter and easier to work with. Move on to the next lesson to transform the autostraight behavior into a function.